Are you looking for a way to increase your happiness and reduce stress in your life? Look no further than a gratitude journal. A gratitude journal is a simple and effective tool that anyone can use to practice gratitude and improve their mental and emotional well-being. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Choose a journal that inspires you. It can be a fancy notebook, a plain notebook, or even a digital journal. The key is to choose one that you'll be motivated to use. Step 2. Set aside a specific time each day to write in your journal. Some people like to write in the morning to start their day on a positive note, while others prefer to write at night to reflect on the day. Step 3. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. They can be big or small, and they can be anything that brings you joy or appreciation. For example, you might be grateful for your health, your loved ones, or even the beautiful sunset you saw on your walk. Writing down what you're grateful for each day can help you focus on the positive things in life and reduce the negative ones. Studies have also shown that practicing gratitude can improve sleep quality, increase happiness, and reduce anxiety and depression. Step 4. Reflect on your entries over time. As you continue to use your gratitude journal, you may start to notice patterns in what you're grateful for or changes in your mood. Take some time to review your entries and appreciate the progress you've made. Remember, practicing gratitude is a skill that takes time and effort to develop. But with a gratitude journal, you have a simple and effective tool to help you along the way. Give it a try and see how it can change your life for the better. For your convenience, a beautiful gratitude journal is available for purchase from the link in the description box. Be sure to check it out for yourself and to support our channel.